Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 69, bow chicka wow wow, of Yakety-Yak, straight from the yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions, talk about ships, give complaints, the whole nine. We look at the questions, we find the interesting, the funny, and the straight lies, and we read them all, and we post them here for you. So in today's episode, we are talking about water and electric meters in the cabins, popcorn, trip protection, VIFP points and casino deals, and chairs package at the time of booking. All right, question one. This cruiser heard Carnival is going to install water and electric meters in the cabins and charge accordingly for the usage of each. They find it hard to believe, but they did see it posted on a VIFP website. John said, obviously, this is not correct. We will not be having this on any ships. Chris said, it's a good thing you went on John's Facebook page. Don't read all those groups. I mean, there's so much crap out there. Why would they do that? It would cost them more money to put a damn meter in the room than it would be to collect the stuff for the room. Jesus, people, think of something else, something more reasonable. Anyway, next question. This cruiser was wondering if they can make popcorn available other than movie times at the dive-in theater. They're wondering if other folks felt the same way. They would be willing to pay for it like you do at the dive-in, and they want to know, can this be a possibility? John agrees. The popcorn should be available throughout the day, and he's going to share it with the Beards in his weekly report. And I agree as well. Liz loves popcorn. I love popcorn. And it would be cool to go to the Red Frog, on the Lido deck, not during movie time, and get a nice thing of popcorn. I love popcorn. My teeth hate it, but I love popcorn. Question 3. Does Carnival's trip protection cover airline change fee if a ship is delayed back to port due to weather? Like say Tampa, fog. Galveston, fog. Hurricane season, hurricane. John said, very simple, yes. Yes, it does. Get the trip protection. It's not that much. Whether you book it through Carnival or you do it through a third party, poop happens. Get the trip protection. It is going to protect you, and you will like the results of that. Speaking of like, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question 4. This cruiser has seen a lot of people saying they're not getting their VIFP points credited because of casino deals, and they want to know if there's a change in policy. If there was a change, people who booked before the change should still get said points. John said, totally understand. If the casino gives a heavily discounted offer or a free cruise, it's not something the corporation will give you the VIFP credits for. They have agreements with each other. Don't know what they are, but he said within their agreements. That being said, we do sail on almost every cruise on a casino deal. And it's not free. They are pretty good discounts. That's why we do that many. And we get our VIFP points. So I'm not 100% sure where this person's coming from because we've gotten all of them. So maybe if it's free, then you don't get them, which I understand. You don't get cruise credit for something you didn't pay for. So I agree. Last question. Do you think Carnival will add the chairs package at the time of booking? This way, it can be paid over time instead of, bam, you have to pay that bill. John says, well, he doesn't know if Carnival will ever do it, and right now they're not aware of any plans to make it happen. He did say thanks for thinking about this because he agrees. It's a great idea. Again, he's going to bring it up to the Beards, but chairs package is not cheap. So just like the cruise, if you can put that into a monthly payment and not have to just lop. I mean, if it's a 7-day cruise, you're talking $1,000, give or take. That's a lot of money. So yeah, I think it would be a great idea if Carnival can bundle that into the cruise fare and allow you to pay it over time. That's just me. Anyway, that was episode 69 of Yakety-Yak. Thanks for watching. Please take care.